If you're interested in getting an international job, either you're interested in visa sponsorship or working remotely, this is what you need to do. If you're a visa sponsorship candidate, it means that you're applying for jobs from your home country to travel abroad to go and work, and you want the company to totally sponsor you to go abroad. If you're applying for a remote work, it means that you want to stay in your home country or any other country, traveling around the world and working from the comfort of your home. So you can actually become a remote worker today, or you can actually apply for visa sponsorship to travel to your choice country. And if that is something you're interested in, the first thing you need to do is join the Happy Face Telegram group. As you can see on our Telegram group, every day we post jobs for you to apply for free. These jobs are here, descriptions are here, the links are here, and all of these jobs are free. You do not need to pay any money to apply for these jobs. So when you come here, you will see visa sponsorship jobs, and you will also see remote jobs for you to apply for immediately. If you are having challenges putting your CV together, trying to find out the kind of email you should send to this company, or you're even having challenges with your employment history and work experience, if you have any of those challenges, don't worry and don't be bothered. We have you covered. Remember, these jobs are available for everyone. This is absolutely free for you to take the job, click on the links, and apply by yourself. But then again, we have had people come up every now and then asking us that they will need guidance on how to start the application. So, if that is something you want and you need guidance to start your application, what you then need to do is come here and book a session for that. So, what are you going to get when you book a session? There is a discount ongoing for those who are interested in booking a session. Let me explain to you what you will get in this session. So, when you book a session, it will be a one on one session with you and a member of the Happy Face team. They will go through your CV and check if your CV is good enough for the particular country you want to apply to. They will check if your CV is well optimized for the particular country you want to apply to, and if it is the appropriate template for the particular company you want to apply to. They will also check if you have the appropriate email templates, meaning you know what to actually send to the employer. And we go as far as checking your employment history and your work experience. If you don't have the appropriate work experience and employment history, we will give you tips and tricks on how to actually get an internship and have the appropriate work experience and history. If this is something you're interested in, let us know and find out how to go ahead and book an appointment. We have so many other services and products that you can take advantage of if you're actually interested in applying for a job. There are so many things you can take advantage of on our store. As you can see, we have a lot of free services. So even if for any reason you think that you do not want to pay a dime, you can still come to our store and take advantage of all the free applications. And if you need a professional CV, it is just $5. $5 and you have a professional CV for your application. For those of you who are actually coming and booking for the one-on-one session, you will get your CV for absolutely free. Yes, you will not need to pay the $5 for a professional CV. And those who are saying that, oh, I need more application site links to actually broaden my horizon, we've got you covered, as you can see here. And if you want us to apply for you, you need us to apply for you. You're that person that says that I don't have the time, I am very busy, I don't have what it takes, or my job presently takes all my time, and you just want us to apply. You only need to meet our terms and conditions and sign up for the job application assistance service, and we will apply for you. So I hope you all understand what this is about. There are so many free options for you to take. You don't need to pay a dime. And if then again you still say you want to go ahead and you need our assistance, remember, we're a virtual assistant company. We're not a travel agency, but you say you want our service as a virtual assistant or as a tutor to teach you and guide you how to do it yourself, then you can contact us and we will help you immediately. You can send us an email and we will answer you. But the fastest way for us to answer you is via Telegram. So you can follow the Telegram group, like I said earlier on. Here, follow our group and send us a direct message on Telegram, and we will tell you everything you need to do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you at the one-on-one consultation part. There's an ongoing bonus and discount for those of you who are signing up for one-on-one consultation. If that is something you're interested in, let's do this. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button so that you know when we give all this free training and free explanation videos for you to watch and be that person you want to be. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And remember, remote jobs and visa sponsorship jobs are available for you to apply for right now. So go and join our Telegram group. The link is in the description box. What are you waiting for? I love you guys. Bye.